Hi there, Smarties. Are you ready for a fun challenge? Today's topic is about the beautiful nature of the Philippines. Let's go. What is the capital of the Philippines? What is the largest island of the Philippines? What is the longest river in the Philippines? What is the largest lake in the Philippines? Which Philippine province is known as the summer capital of the Philippines? Where can we find Mount Apo in the Philippines? The Chocolate Hills can be found in which province? Where can we find the Banawe rice terraces in the Philippines? Where can we find the enchanted river with mysterious deep blue water in the Philippines? Which site is UNESCO World Heritage Marine Park and top diving spot in the Philippines? Where is the surfing capital of the Philippines? Which volcano is known as the father of Philippines mountains? The majestic Maria Cristina Falls is located in? This beautiful Coron Island is located in which province in the Philippines? Which province can we find Pagsanhan Falls? Which country can we find the Boracay Island? Great job, Smarties! How many questions did you get right? Comment your scores below, and let us know which natural wonders is your favorite in the Philippines. Thanks for watching. See you next time.